Good afternoon, guys. This is Nilesh from Indian Foodaholic, and today I'm at a place called Zue, which is 5 kilometers away from Ratnagiri. It's a small island, and it has a population of just 500 odd people, and it's the most unexplored island in Maharashtra. And let me just show you what's behind me. Well, this is kind of a stream that comes out from the ocean, and it is a beautiful place. Let me just give you a view of this place. And also what we're going to do in this video is we're going to meet the locals, understand their occupation, gel up with them, go around the island, meet different people, look at how these people function, and especially the best part is going to be the food here. What we're going to do is we're going to stay at a local house, and at the same time we're going to explore the food. These locals are going to cook for us. It is going to be an amazing episode, guys, so please make sure you watch it till the end. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. What I'm observing is that you guys are coming in and watching the video but not subscribing, so please go ahead and subscribe. Here I am at one of the residents. This is a local house where we're going to stay. This is Manish here. I'm going to leave a link for his channel and his Instagram in the description, so go check it out. We both are traveling together this time. We are going to explore Zue. Let me just try and show it to everyone and see if I can make you guys understand what all is on this plate. So I think this is dal, which is lentil curry, and this is cooked with spices, and I think it's a little savory. This, on the other hand, is drumsticks. So drumsticks, I think these are cooked in peas, green peas, and there are potatoes in it. Oh, this is mouth-watering. This is going to be mouth-watering. Look at these chilies. I think these are stuffed. So this has coconut stuffed in it. These are small chilies. They are not very spicy, but they are very tasty to eat. And yeah, these are going to be very tasty. There's a pickle. I think this is a mango pickle. It's a mango pickle made at home. Again, this is a homemade pickle. Rice, chapatis, and this is a very interesting dish. This is made of jackfruit, right? So this is made of jackfruit, and I can see some chilies in it. I can see some caramelized onions. So this is what I am going to have for my lunch today. And it's a local place. It's a very local house. So Vikrant is hosting us, and let's get into it. Let's get into the food. I am super hungry. Okay, so let me just taste. Let me just have a taste of. Let's first try the jackfruit, because I'm sure this is something that I've never tried. So I'm going to try the jackfruit now. A little salty. It has a very strong flavor of coconut, and yeah, a little caramelized onions, sweet, salty, beautiful dish. Let me try that. This is something that I love. It's a chili stuffed with coconut, crushed coconut. So see this, and it's caramelized and nice and crispy. Let me try this. Oh wow, yeah. थोडंसं एकदम थोडं स्पायसी आहे, जास्त स्पायसी नाही आहे. त्यातले बी काढतात का? हो, आतले बी काढतात. So what they do is they remove the seeds from the chili, and then they stuff it up with coconut and then they shallow fry it. I think that's what they do. let's try the drumsticks now. I think this is drumsticks. Then there is potatoes in it, and there's a very chickpeas. So let's try that. See here. This also has a very coconutty flavor. I think the base of each of these foods here is coconut, because coconut is found in ample in these places. Interesting way of eating the drumsticks. Let me show it to you. So what you do is you peel it.
Oh.
Yeah, you peel it and then you squeeze it in your mouth. Oh, wow, that's sweet, savory, salty, both at the same time. That's a feast, man. And it's a vegetarian feast. Let me tell you that today we're eating vegetarian, but tomorrow it's going to be an all seafood feast, and I can't wait for that. And I can't wait to share that with you guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You know how much I love seafood, and it's going to be a blast. I mean, I'm here in Zue. Tomorrow we're going to also explore the seafood in Ratnagiri and places around Ratnagiri, and we'll see what places have great seafood to offer. So it's going to be absolutely fun. Now what we're going to do is finish this lunch quickly, and 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock we have a jetty. There's a jetty outside where I was standing when we started the video. There's going to be a boat that's going to come in, and guess what? We're going to go fishing. Absolutely, yes, we're going to go fishing, and we'll see what is available. We'll see what we can fish, and I'm going to share all of that with you guys. So let's go. Okay, here we are on the boat. It's a small boat, and I think we're going to first do fishing, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah, so we're going to first go and do fishing, and let's see what we catch. I think it's going to be exciting. This is my first time on a boat trying to go fish for some seafood. I hope we catch something, and let's see. So we're going to go first fish, then take a small trip around this island. Like I said, it's an island, and it's completely covered all around with water. So we're going to take the trip around the island, and we'll try and fish a few things, and let's see what we catch. So Vicky is in charge. He's going to take us fishing, and let's see what happens. Let's go. Caught a fish, see? I caught it. I don't have it on footage. We were just trying to throw the bait around on the other side, and we caught a fish. I caught a fish. See this baby. छोड़ देते इसको, छोड़ने का
नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो भी वैसे ही भागेगा। नहीं चाहिए मेरे को,
खाना
है मुझे किसी भी हालत में।
दिखा ना उसका स्किन दिखाया मेरे को। Beautiful fish. Look at this. I don't know what it's called. If you guys know what it's called, he says it's a zebra fish. If you know what's this species, please comment down below. What's the species? Because I don't know. And enlighten the tribe. A beautiful fish.
और उसको पकड़ने का वैसा तरीका रहता है, मतलब
हाँ because look at the spikes on this, because it's going to bleed you. Look at the spikes. Yeah, it's poisonous. It's poisonous. Yeah, I don't know if it's poisonous, but I'm sure it's sharp. It's going to cut you. We've got dinner. Catch of the day, baby! So that was day one of Zue and Ratnagiri, guys. When we went back, it was too dark, so I couldn't shoot anything as such. But that was day one. stay tuned for day 2. The new video for day 2 is going to come up soon, so stay tuned for that. And this was a great experience for me. I'm sure you also liked it. So make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to Indian Foodaholic. Thank you so much for watching.